Welcome back to our channel, Technology with Fun, space enthusiasts. Today, we're taking you on an exciting journey behind the scenes to explore the incredible world of spacecraft manufacturing. Ever wondered how those sleek and sophisticated vessels are built? Well, you're in for a treat. Let's dive in. Section 1. Concept and Design. Our journey begins with the concept and design phase. Before a spacecraft can soar through the cosmos, it all starts on the drawing board. Talented engineers and scientists work tirelessly to transform ideas into detailed blueprints. In this phase, teams carefully consider factors like mission objectives, payload, propulsion systems, and navigation. These designs are critical to the success of any mission. Section 2. Materials and Components. Once the design is locked in, it's time to gather the materials and components. Spacecraft require specialized materials that can withstand the extreme conditions of space, including intense radiation and temperature fluctuations. Precision is key here, as even the tiniest imperfections can have major consequences in the vacuum of space. Section 3. Assembly and Integration. Now, the magic happens in the assembly and integration phase. Skilled technicians and engineers meticulously piece together the spacecraft, installing its various components. Clean rooms are essential to prevent contamination, and spacecraft are tested rigorously to ensure they meet the highest standards. Section 4. Testing and Quality Assurance. Before a spacecraft leaves Earth, it undergoes a battery of tests. Vibration tests simulate the stresses of launch, while thermal vacuum tests mimic the harsh conditions of space. These tests are critical to ensure the spacecraft can withstand the rigors of its mission. Section 5. Final Preparations and Launch. As launch day approaches, the spacecraft is transported to the launch site, where it's fueled and prepared for its journey into the great unknown. And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, the spacecraft is attached to its rocket and the countdown begins. Conclusion, and there you have it, fellow space enthusiasts, the incredible journey of spacecraft manufacturing, from concept to launch. It's a testament to human ingenuity and collaboration. If you found this journey fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Technology with Fun for amazing space-related content. Until next time, keep looking up to the stars.